Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. Today I have with me Samsung S Pen Creator Edition, and in this video I will show you how to change the pen nib for this pen. So let's start. So the S Pen Creator Edition comes with these replacement nibs, and it also include this nib replacement tool. So we will use this tool. First of all, just put it on the surface like this, and then you have to hold it from here. Now in the next step, you have to insert this pen nib inside this hole. So you have to insert it like this in the straight position. So here you can see I insert the pen nib inside this hole, and then in the next step you have to push this pen downward. Okay, so I will just push it like this in the downward position. So here you can see I push it in the downward position, and now in the third step you have to lift this pen up. So I will just lift it up. So I will just do it like this. So once you lift it up, you can see the nib is now removed. So here is the nib, and now you can use your fingers and then you can remove the nib like this. And here is your pen. Now we have to insert the new nib inside this hole. So here you can see inside we have this hole, and then we will insert the new nib. So I will just take out one nib. Okay, so I will just take it out like this, and then I will insert it like manually using my fingers, and then I will just insert it like this. So here you can see, and then I will just push it downside like this, and then you can also use the back side of this tool. It's a rubber. Okay, so you just have to push it down. Okay, so I will just push it like this. So now it is properly fixed, and now I will test it out. Now I will try this pen nib on my tablet. So here I open Samsung Notes, and you can see everything is working perfectly fine. I will also try the button. So you can see this button. Now I will press this button, and now it will switch to the eraser mode. So here you can see I can easily erase my handwriting. I can also try this air command tool. So you can see it is also working perfectly fine. So the nib replacement is perfectly done. Now I will repeat the process of nib replacement. First of all, you have to put your replacement tool like this, and then you have to hold it from here, and then you have to insert the pen nib inside this hole. So you have to insert your pen nib inside the hole and make sure your pen is in the straight position. Then you have to push your pen downward. Okay, so I will just push it like this in the downward position. So here you can see I just push it downward like this, and then what you have to do, you have to just lift it up. So what you can do is you can just lift it up like this, and then you can see the nib is now removed. Okay, and then you can remove it from here, and then to insert a new nib you just have to insert inside this hole. So I will just insert this nib inside the hole, and here you can see, and then you have to just push it inside like this. And once you finish with this, you can just push this pen nib inside this rubber at the back side. So you just have to push it very little. Okay, so I will just show you. So you just have to do it like this. So now everything is done. Now you can use your new pen nib. So guys, this is for today's video. Please like this video and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.